All right, so here I have a slideshow, and I've used the morph transition to be able to zoom in. Here's what it looks like. I'll click on the first slide. I go to slideshow from current slide, and I click my left mouse button to go to the next slide, and it zooms in on the eyeball of the rabbit. I'm going to click again. Goes to my next slide is a robin. I'm going to zoom in on his head, click my left mouse button, and I zoom in on the robin's head. Now, how did I do that? Let's go ahead and show you. I'll click in here, insert a new slide, blank one. I'll insert a picture, and usually it should be a picture with pretty good resolution. You want to be able to zoom in on something and show detail, so you want to pick something that's got some good resolution to it. I picked the rabbit earlier. I could pick this gigapan image, this one. I think I'm going to go back to my rabbit again, pick him. So there he is on the slide. Now I'm going to duplicate this slide. I click on the slide and do Control D, Control key D, and now I'm on my second. I'm going to click on that second duplicated slide. I go up to Transition. I pick Morph. I can make the morph slower, make it last longer, duration. And now I want to zoom in on the rabbit, so I click on the image of the rabbit and make it bigger and bring it back so his eye is on the slide. You can see, how did I do that? Well, down here you got to zoom. You can zoom in on your slide so you can position your rabbit, your image, in the location you want. You can see what it looks like over here. So I can make it even bigger and then move my rabbit up until I get his eyeball right there in the middle. And now I'm ready to play it. I go to click on this first slide, slide from current slide. I left button click, and it zooms in on the eyeball of the rabbit. And that is how you use the morph feature to zoom in on portions of images.